You know, for 1,000 years old, looks really good. For the martial artist, this tool carries 5 practices that we can still utilize today. Being spawned in the late Heian period, Song Dynasty China, the literary period for Chan Buddhism, a sharing like no other time before of monks traveling all over Asia, which kind of gets me to the point of Igaru Ninjutsu was founded by a samurai and a monk that had just got back from China. I need to update a few things because there's some things really wrong with this. Let's talk about it. It's known from Shaolin, a crescent convenience spade. The crescent was to represent the warrior, someone that, as Shaolin, technically you're heading out of Shaolin if you're carrying this tool. And this is to protect those that need protected. In many cases, wild boar would be potentially a daily protection, let alone bandits. The spade was to represent the monk side of the practice, and it was to be able to dig and perform the burial rituals, which meant it had a sharp end for thrusts and axe attacks, where you would be coming down with the points of the actual spade itself. The convenience. When you arrived to town, you weren't going there just for sightseeing. You were bringing things back to temple. Times carts would have been used, but also just simple sticks. That's why the center pole of this would be round to take all of that force, and it would be loaded up. So that would be the Buddhist crescent convenience spade. There's something, I think, magical about this tool, but it could be the connection that all arts focusing on Zen being the final ultimate goal. This represents so much of it. Now let's take a moment to talk about the things this doesn't represent correctly. One, as tall as I am, this should be longer. I should be able to extend my hands fully and still have spade and crescent within an inch or two. So it's too short. This angle, I got telling myself, should come up, be much more parallel to each other and a little taller. The length is use, that is aesthetics, that just needs to be better. But the one that needs to be changed most importantly, as I shake my little fists, that there should be rings. My original had rings and clappers. I thought it was too loud. What ignorance. Yes, it's loud, and practicing ninjutsu, there's not much about wanting to make noise. But this is a tool of Shaolin. And as I do live out in the woods, when the monks were traveling, I've got to change topics to always talk of something else. Mount Hiei is the walking monks, and they make a vow that if they do not do their entire walk, that they will end themselves. They carry a knife and they carry a rope. Many times, the real issue for them was the wild hogs in the area. The abbot of when I was studying was attacked by a wild hog and had his leg gashed quite severely. And despite that, he still had to finish. Okay, that's a fun story, but it's the hog that I want to focus on. That the crescent makes a great protection from, well, small ground animals that are coming at you. So the rings and the clappers, the clapper would be within this guard area. It would be extra wide. And as you moved back and forth, it would clap or jingle. I don't know. It's probably a music term. And it let all the animals know in the area that you were moving through the area. And as this doesn't have that noise, it doesn't have the right feel. And also on the right feel, see what that is? This should be a tool. This is a tool connected to the body. The Shaolin Ninjutsu still has a lot of connection within that, but there's something that Shaolin does more. The flow, the connection, the size of tool to the user. I think it's fabulous. Okay, on that note, I should get back to training. It's a beautiful snowy day. I got things to do. All the best to everybody. And thank you to all of the members of Nine Directions: Shinobi, Croissant, Highwoods, Silent Moon, Robert McHale, Duke Jones, Devin Belden, Nintai, Shinkyori, Dusty, Seth Baxter, to our ninja, Devin Winburn, to our ninja clan, Gwen and Gruntworks, to Fire and Steel, Ninja Cowboy 77, and to our Mangetsu Dojo Builder, Queen Red K. Thank you so much, everyone, for being part of this. I look forward to the next nonsense I start making. So with that, I'm double shutting up and getting back to work. But before I double shut up, I just want to share one more thing, and that Shaolin, said in English, is young forest. I think that's the coolest translation. Shaolin is a young forest. It is considered the temple, but the kanji for that is just so simple. I bow down. That's just awesome. Okay, now I'm shutting up. Okay, bye.